Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel Roblox Premium quickly and safely using your phone. Now let's get started. Step 1, open a web browser like Chrome or Safari on your phone and go to roblox.com. This is important because premium cancellation works best from the website. Step 2, log into the Roblox account that currently has an active premium membership. Make sure you're using the correct account before continuing. Step 3, tap the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This is the settings menu where account options are located. Step 4, go to the billing or subscription section and if needed, tap more to find it. This area shows your membership and payment details. Step 5, find your Roblox Premium membership and tap Cancel Renewal, then follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. This stops the subscription from renewing while keeping benefits until the end date. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more easy Roblox guides.